Atma Namaste everyone, Happy New Year and a warm welcome to today's session. This is Dr. Tushar Charan and my channel is Abundance and Grace. I request you to like and subscribe my channel and spread it around. Tell your friends because a lot is going to be taught on this channel. So what is the topic today? The topic is the wheel of life. So this year I had taken up this pledge of guiding everyone to make goals and targets. So in the same proceeding, this is a new thing that is called the wheel of life. What do we mean by wheel of life? So we have this life. In this life, we have many facets. We have relationships, we have career, we have health, finances, mental stability, development, all the different facets of life. So if you're doing very well in your career but your relationships are screwed, or if your relationship is also good, your career is also good but your health is screwed, so you cannot be happy. So to be happy, to be accomplished, to be fulfilled, you need to have a balance in your life. So for this balance, we create a wheel of life. So for me, what I do, I divide my life into 8 categories, and this is what I'm going to teach you people. So we have this wheel of life where we draw a circle and divide it into 8 parts. So each part is very important in our life. So let me explain how we are going to go about it. So I hope you can see this is the wheel of life. So the first thing that comes is your health. In Hindi there's a proverb, Sabse bada sukh is nirogi kaya. So you need to have a good health. Now for every person, health is a different thing. For somebody it can be making muscles. For somebody, like I'm a slim trim person, so it can be having a good health in the form that one is slim. For somebody it is that they have high energy levels to do whatever they want to do in life. So for every person, the health criteria is going to be different. Now in health, the nutrition part is also there. Do you eat healthy food or you are just on junk foods? What are you doing? So have a look into this aspect of your life. And then, so from here it is 0 until here it is 10. Okay. So now you can mark where are you right now. Are you on 0 or 1, 2, 5, 6? For every person it can be different. So say about for me it is like right now I'm on 8. Okay. So my health quotient is 8. So once you've done this, then we move to the next part, that is home. Home, happiness, your mental happiness, all this comes under your home. How is your environment? Do you feel happy where you live, or there is something that is bothering you, or the people who are there, or the comforts, or the locality, or the place where you are you happy? Or do you wish to go somewhere else? Do you wish to have a home? So you can create your own parameters. Say, comfort wise, right now I'm at 5. This is the place where I live. I feel it is on level 5 and we all want to reach 10. So then you can plan. What is it you need to be on 10? Yeah, what all is there which is keeping you on 5? So your home environment, your home is very important. Then comes the next is family and relationships. So there are 3 kinds of relationship. One is with your own self. The other one is with the Almighty God who has created us. And the third is all the relationships we have, intimate relationships. Now, we have these intimate relationships who are the ones who make us feel very happy sometimes or very sad sometimes. We are very much concerned about them. Then comes our relationships with our friends, which is the most easiest relationships, because for friends we have less of rules. For your spouse, for your partner, For all the people who are your intimate relationships, you have a lot of rules. But for friends, it's fun. You already know that. So just check yourself. So you can divide this into two categories. One is your friends, the other one is your family. How's your relationship with your family? Do you need to do something? Or your family relationships are screwed up, but you have very good friends? Then work on your family relationship this year. So just put the number. You can divide this into two parts. One is family, the other one is friends, and then you can put accordingly wherever you are. Then comes finances. So in India, it is said, "Pehla sukh nirogi kaya, duja sukh ghar mein maya." So for us, finances is very important, because if you don't have money, what are you going to do? If you don't have money, your relationships are screwed. Your health also gets screwed because you are in so much of stress that you don't have money, how to go about in life. So finances is very much different than your career. We will talk about career, that comes later on. Finance comes first. How much money do you have? How do you look after your money? How do you manage your money? Do you save all your money and serve yourself? Or do you invest your money and you can have more money? How do you do? Do you spend the entire money you earn every month? So financial target is also very important. So check, what is it? Where are you from 0 to 10? Are you one person who saves a lot of money, spends a lot of money, or invests lots of money? So check yourself and then plan, what do you need to do more in this year? Then comes your career. So it can be your career, it can be your job, it can be your mission. What is it for you? So are you doing a job which is giving you satisfaction, or do you want to change your job? Yeah, what's happening? What is it that you want to do? Right now you are here, you want to go there. So when you have a scale, then only you can progress. Otherwise you don't know. You don't know how successful you've been, or God forbid it, how unsuccessful you have been. When you have a graph, then you know where are you. And it can be mission also. Some people have this mission, they have some mission that we want to have 2 crores in coming 10 years. So that's about, each one has a different type of goal for them, a different life purpose for them. So career you can check on this scale. Then comes personal development. How have you developed yourself? What is it that you have learned new in life? What are the problems that you have been facing? What are the vices you had? So you had the smoking addiction. Were you able to give it up? So you can just check your personal development, what you are doing. So I teach many things: astrology, vastu, numerology. You can join my classes to develop yourself. Every year, do something new, something to, because we all are here to evolve, to grow. So personal development is also a very important facet of your life. You need to check. Then comes fun and recreation. Majority of us miss on this element. So see, where are you? Do you have those fun days? Do you have those days when you lose your hair and you just have fun? Or what are your things which helps you to do recreation? Is it watching TV, talking with your friends, playing cards, playing games, bowling? What is it? But you all need to have some fun, some recreation, going out for a movie with your friends. You should do this once in a while. So this is also very important. All work, no fun creates stress, unhappiness, loneliness. It's very difficult to lead a happy life when you have no fun in life. And the last, not the least, is the contribution to the society. We are social beings. We are here for society. And no matter how much money do you earn, you live in big house, big cars, many family members you have, But if you do not contribute to society, if you do not help other people, you feel very lonely. You feel there is something missing in life. So check. It can be as good as giving a smile. It can be as good as talking to your neighbors, asking them how are they doing. Or it can be by liking and subscribing my channel, sharing this video. Because this kind of creating the wheel of life will help people to know what are the challenges they are facing in life. What is their. So when we create this wheel of life, you can have a graph. Some things are like here, some are here, some are here. And then you can assess which is, so for me right now, contribution to society is going good. My health is also going good. So you can check for yourself every year. So what you can do, make this wheel of life. No one is judging you, no one is seeing you. Because you can see every spoke of the wheel is very important to have a smooth ride on your life. One spoke gets shorter, the other gets longer, and then you cannot have a smooth ride. So you need to have a balance in your life. The balance can be all are having 6, all are having 8. There is no problem. But you need to have balance. So your finances are on 10 and your health is on 2. What are you going to do with this money? Are you going to pay the bills of your hospital every time? No. You want to lead a happy, healthy, quality life. So, these are my phone numbers. You can note down, that is 77260-27397. You can personally contact me on this number. Send me a message, as I am going to take a live session on the Wheel of Life on Zoom in the coming week. So you can contact me. I will add you to my group so that you can join me that day. You can ask your questions. I will explain it to you in a more elaborate manner. What is this Wheel of Life? So it's very important. This is called self-assessment tool. So by this you can know what are the areas in your life which are doing very good. What are the areas in your life which need a little assistance, which need a little more effort to make them good. So this helps us, whenever people come to me, I'm an astrologer by profession, they come to me and they say, we're doing so good in life, our career is very nice, I earn a lot of money, but there is something missing in my life. I am not happy. I am not content. So, for this, you can create this Wheel of Life. You can have different topics. Somebody can add a spirituality as a topic. What is your spiritual development? So, spirituality and religion are two different things. Spirituality is, how's your mind going on? How happy are you? How content are you? How much time you give into meditation. Meditation is what? It's self-talk, going within, going in deep inside you. What are you? What is it? What are your pros? What are your cons? All these things, Some people can even add mental health as one of the pointers. So it's up to you, but mainly what I suggest for this year, 2022, create the Wheel of Life with these 8 topics and rate yourself. 1, rate yourself, where are you right now? And then rate another one, where do you want to go? Every time you can know your success by these graphs and statistics only. Like in job, you know that right now I'm earning 50,000 a month. And then after a few years, when your friends ask you, how are you doing? Then you can tell, yeah, I'm doing very good, because now I'm earning rupees 1 lakh. But if you do not have figures, how would you know what is your success? Or, God forbidden, how unsuccessful you have been. So this Wheel of Life helps you to create a balance in your life. your health, your career, your finances, your relationship, your personal development. It is also very essential, because when you personally grow, when you evolve, when you do good, then automatically many areas of your life get sorted. Because if you focus too much on your career, your health gets affected, your relationships get affected. So have a balance, have fun times, have recreation. For everybody, it's a different way. Somebody likes to have fun by talking to their friends, by watching TV, by going on a beach, walking there. Anything can create fun. Anything can have recreation in your life. Everybody has a different type of thing for entertainment. By watching movie also can make you feel happy. By playing cards can also make you feel happy. So this was the wheel of life. Do make this. Don't underestimate. Try for yourself. Make this. You will know how it will help you have a balance in your life. Your relationships also, they all get turbulent, every time. Sometimes you have bad relationship with your family, sometimes you have bad relationship with your neighbors, your co-workers, your servants. They are all relationships. So check, where are you right now? Where do you want to go? Because whenever you want to reach somewhere, you need to give an extra effort, an extra focus. Like you have a garden, you water your garden every time, but there's this plant which needs a special assistance because it's not growing. So you need to add some fertilizer to that plant. Similarly, in life, we have different facets, different areas, which some areas need more attention. Some areas are like, okay, they're going fine, you can just. But sometimes it does happen in life that if you're going very good in certain area and you just do not care about that and you focus on other areas, maybe there's a drop in that area. So this type of creating a wheel of your life, after 6 months, check, where have you reached? Where is the growth? And if you do not have a growth on a particular facet, then give extra effort, give extra fertilizer to that area of your life. So trust me, I have made this wheel of life and it really helps you. So do make this wheel of life to have a balanced life so that you have a smooth rolling life. Atma Namaste everyone. Do like and subscribe my channel. Tell your friends about it, so that they can also make use of this wheel of life and the goals and targets videos. Also go and check, understand and make use, because if you don't have a scale, you do not know, were you successful, were you unsuccessful, or are you still there? Because if you do not have a scale, how will you know where are you, where do you want to go? So even in when we have a journey, like if I want to go to Mumbai, I do have these milestones. So from here, Mumbai is like 1,000 kilometers away. So that's a scale I know. Okay, I have covered 200 kilometers, now 500, now 500 more are left. So this is how we can reach our goal. But if we do not have a scale, if we do not have numbers, if we do not have graph, we are lost. We don't know. Where are we? So, Atma Namaste everyone. Have a beautiful 2022 by creating the wheel of life. Check after 6 months. Where are you? And I am 100% sure it is going to help you. Because in India, this is for the first time I think I have introduced, but in European countries, they are doing wonderful with this wheel of life. So do make use of this. Tomorrow I'll create this video in Hindi also for the people who want to understand better in their own mother tongue. But for now, Atma Namaste. Have a beautiful day.